Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. We are finally back with another market update video. In this video, we will discuss BTC next move. Along with, we will discuss some previous analysis. Basically, BTC on my previous market update was around this zone when we predicted that a price will gonna come down and test this order block right here, and then we can see a possible bounce in price. So if you want a proof, you can see my previous videos, or I will just give you the link in the description, or you can just go back and watch my previous videos. So if you want to prove, so my previous market analysis went perfectly correct. BTC first dropped almost by 7%, and then it bounced by almost 9%. So today we'll also analyze BTC, USD, and also the USDT dominance. So before we get into the video, in my previous analysis I told you that we unfortunately hit one stop loss with our VIPs, but I also told you that I promise that we guaranteed that we're gonna recover that loss with our for our VIPs. So we went short on BTC with a perfect top, and these guys recovered all their loss and almost printed more than they lost. So that's how we trade with proper risk management. And besides this, we traded FIO in USDT pair that gave us 30% non-leverage profit, and we are currently in some spot trades. We traded CFX that gave us 12% non-profit, and along this with we traded much trade with our VIPs. So on Discord. So if you also want to join us on Discord, you can DM us on either on Telegram or either on Twitter. So we will let you know what's the criteria to join us on Discord. So let's start the today's video with 4-hour BTC USDT analysis. So currently BTC is trading around 23,100. What's happening right now? If we zoom out this chart, what we're gonna see this uptrend, which market is going currently in a small uptrend move. Okay, so what it is actually forming, it's forming higher highs, and now it's finally in this zone right here. So what retailers are seeing right now, they are considering this dodgy candle, they are considering this as a bullish reversal candle, and obviously this another bullish candle which they are seeing, and they are currently going long on the BTC. So they are considering this area to be as for their proof for going long on BTC. So what I'm seeing is we had area of inefficiency in the form of imbalance, which just market just came down and filled this area and bounced by almost 9%. So what's happening right now? Currently, we have an unmedicated order block. This is the unmedicated region right here. Price never tested this zone. It came down, filled area of inefficiency, and just bounced too quick. So liquidity, and here it's forming a trend line. Liquidity lies obviously at this area, and if we see this small box on 30-minute time frame, this structure, so price is currently testing that trend line on lower time frames, and what retailers are seeing, they are considering this area to be support, and they're trying to long the market. Okay, so if we go on to 2-hour time frame, so what's happening right now, analyze BTC on 2-hour time frame, we can see this was our protected high, and this was our protected low. Our protected low just got broken, forming what? Liquidity below this area, which was actually the unmedicated region on 4-hour time frame, and forming area of liquidity right here. The order block, price just tested this order block, and now is trying to move away from this, and now price is trying to test trap those traders. As far I think, price is currently trying to trap those traders who are considering this area to be as a good support, and they're finding basically support to go long on BTC again. So what I am expecting right now is we might see this is a trend line. We might see a small move up in price from this area, trapping what? Those retailers who were considering this area to be a support, and then we might see break of this area, and then medication where into this area of unmedicated order block based on 4-hour time frame. So this can be the move, a small bounce up from this area, which is the area of inefficiency on 30-minute time frame, a small area from a small bounce from this zone, trapping the retailers, and then we might break this box, and then we might medicate into this area of inefficiency. So guys, this was today's market analysis video. Hope so it's not confusing for you to understand today's market analysis video. So hope so it's enough for today. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram if you want a free trading signals. So that's enough for today. Thank you very much.